Perched on the slopes of Devil's Peak, the University of Cape Town feels more like a masterpiece than a campus. With ivy-clad buildings and panoramic views of the city and sea. Its grand columns and red-roofed architecture echo a legacy of academic excellence, social change, and a fierce pursuit of truth. From Nobel laureates to student activists, UCT continues to be a beating heart of intellect and inspiration in the soul of Cape Town. Table Mountain doesn't rise, it rains. A flat-topped titan carved by wind and time, watching over Cape Town like a silent guardian. Its cliffs hold ancient secrets, where clouds tumble over the edge like nature's slow-breathing waterfall, known as the tablecloth. Every rock, every crevice on its face carries the story of Earth's oldest moods, older than the Himalayas, older than memory. Just beside it, Lion's Head spirals upward in a perfect curl, like nature flexing its muscle in slow, graceful motion. At sunrise, it glows amber, and at full moon, it becomes a trail of silver steps, guiding hikers to the stars. Together, these two giants are more than landmarks. They are Cape Town's crown, framing the city in grandeur and grit. From their peaks, you don't just see the city. You feel it stretch, breathe, and glow between oceans and time. And as day fades, Table Mountain and Lion's Head become silhouettes in gold, Cape Town's final masterpiece before the stars arrive. Cape Town whispers stories through its stone, steel, and shimmering shorelines, where time folds in the breeze off the Atlantic. Walk through the heart of the city, and you'll find architecture that reads like a diary. Dutch gables, British facades, and Cape Malay flair. The Castle of Good Hope stands firm with its pentagonal embrace. As you move towards the ocean, the buildings loosen their collars, exchanging history's weight for the breeze of modern design. The canals of the waterfront ripple past palm trees and boardwalks, like a coastal postcard dreaming out loud. When twilight hits, the city lights ripple across the bay, turning every window into a golden promise. Even in the quietest alleys of the old city, cobblestones remember the footsteps of explorers, slaves, and settlers alike. Cape Town doesn't erase its history. It layers it, like paint on Bo-Kaap walls, or sun on sandstone walls. Tourists are pulled here not just by beauty, but by the way the past and future shake hands on every corner. This is not a city of one story, one skyline, or one shore. It's a mosaic made of time, tide, and transformation. And as the waves kiss the docks one more time, Cape Town dares you to look away, but you won't. Chapman's Peak Drive isn't just a road. It's a ribbon of asphalt stitched to the cliffs by the nature and engineers. With each turn, the world unfolds differently. Raw cliffs on one side, infinite ocean on the other. They call it chappies, but there's nothing casual about the way it clings to the mountain like a dare. The road carves through ancient rock, each tunnel and bend a perfect blend of nature's power and human vision. Waves crash below like applause as you glide past drop-offs that flirt with gravity. Every lookout point tempts you to stop, to breathe, to just exist for a moment between sky and sea. Sunsets here don't just happen. They ignite the ocean, painting fire across water, while shadows stretch across the cliffs. It's a photographer's dream, a filmmaker's canvas, and a driver's slow dance with awe. Whether you're heading to Hout Bay or Nordhook, the journey becomes the destination. And when the mist rolls in, Chapman's Peak becomes a myth, hidden, haunting, unforgettable. This isn't just one of the most scenic drives in the world. It's Cape Town telling you, you'll never forget me. Africa's wildlife isn't just alive. It roars, stalks, glides, and rumbles across the continent like a living legend. Every sunrise stretches over golden plains, where elephants march like ancient kings across a sun-soaked throne. Giraffes move like tall dreams in slow motion, nibbling from treetops like nature's quiet poets. Lions don't just hunt, they rule, lounging in shadows with eyes that have seen centuries of survival. In the wetlands, hippos grunt beneath the water's mirror, massive yet invisible, until they rise like armored submarines. Zebras flash their stripes across the land, as if the savanna itself decided to wear art. Leopards, silent and unseen, become part of the trees until it's too late to look away. From deserts to jungles, every landscape carries its own orchestra of life, composed over millions of years. This isn't just wildlife. It's Africa's soul, wild and unedited, breathing in every roar, chirp, and rustle.